Hello fam, look what I've got. Scones. You wanna stay tuned? We're gonna make lemon blueberry scones and maple scones. They are delicious. I'm trying not to devour the whole thing now. All right, let's get in the kitchen. Let's cook. It's time, it's time, it's time. Hey. Well, back with my scone. Look, look, look. All right, guys, these are delicious. I can't wait to devour it. I hope you make these. When you do, please tag me. I want to see your scones too. And tell me what flavor combinations you come up with. We can have a scone-a-palooza. All right, guys, I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Happy cooking.